So it's currently the holidays, well, the half term, and I've decided to go to Jacob's house because there's nothing to do at my house. So, yeah. Jacob lives in Cardiff. I got here with about 15 minutes to spare, so now I'm just waiting for the bus, and it should be here in 15 minutes. This is a really exciting bus ride. It's so exciting. How's your shift, Isaac?
Awful, I hated it. No, it's fine. We're going to go to Cardiff Museum to see the Leonardo da Vinci's, because it's 500 years since he died. It should be really, really great. This train ride has been really, really exciting.
Hi guys, so we're in Jacob's maths lecture today. We're learning about the theorem for any function in f. It's quite confusing. Say something, Oliver.
Well, today we're in maths and we're going to do some combinatorics. I'm very happy to have 3 Jake Scotts sat next to me. Truly, we're blessed on this day.
Jake, are we actually allowed in here?
I don't know, I think so.
Riveting.
How was that lecture?
Honestly, one of the best hours of my life because I'm surrounded by good friends, good people, we're having good times. I'm feeling very optimistic about today. They haunt me in my nightmares.
Alright, so you got to follow this so the people at home can draw it as well if they want to. The first thing you want to do is draw a slightly curved 2 lines like so. It is the beak. And then another 2 lines like this. You've got to get the whole beak in before you start drawing the rest of it, so that you've got a point of reference.
Good quality content.
Then the 2 little eyes like this, 2 little beady bird eyes. Okay, now here's the point where you can really let your imagination run wild.
Okay, can I give him glasses?
Yeah. Wow.
Why is it mess?
Go crazy here.
I'll do that
adding the
now.
hairstyle like this.
It's Bart Simpson.
And this is like a sort of like a neck hairstyle. Like that. And then up again to the beak. Maybe some eyebrows.
He's inquisitive.
And then you go down like this. And then make it like this to be a wing. And up. Not quite all the way to the neck. Yeah. A little tummy. And then a leg like this. Because the other leg is behind the other leg. Line. And exact same thing.
Oh,
and then you can make him wave. You got to draw the other hand.
That is really cool.
Or he's going to shake someone's hand.
It's a very cool bird.
Can I add a human nose?
Yeah.
And a beard.
Leave a like and a comment, and if you do, you can get this picture in the post.
Hi guys, so we're about to go to Gregor's to get some breakfast and then we're going to go to a museum. So the reason we're going to this museum is because there are some original Leonardo da Vinci's. Can I choose one of them? The thing about steak bakes is I love them. This is the most boring thing ever. But the thing is, he wrote in Italian and he did everything backwards. Maybe.
Riveting.